Which way are you going?
Like turn.
Not very deep, is it? Wow. When I lean on the side, does it?
Don't.
Well, it says don't lean. Does it say don't lean?
It says don't
It says
rock.
don't rock. So you can lean then. I'll move up a little
Mate.
bit.
Wait, we might crash. I might crash.
Go on, you can get round. Step hard towards me. Why not there? Push me over there. Oh, your mum's catching her. Oh, she catched her. No, stay away. Emmy.
Good. Watch this over to me. I'm going to take that.
It's fine, you can go around.
All things fell out.
Yeah, don't hit them.
Trust me, watch this.
Silly, don't crash, love.
Oh, Henry, they crashed. Henry, they... Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh.
how are we going to
No,
get past?
no.
Emmy,
Turn.
take your foot off the accelerator. Oh no! Oh no!
Turn. No.
No!
I can't
Sorry,
turn.
don't box us in.
I'm cutting her off. No, Mum.
No! No, Shelley! Shelley! Shelley!
No.
No! No, Shelley! Oh no!
Oh, I'm going to have to overtake her. That's it.
Almost feel like climbing across the boat and jumping on her boat.
Yeah, I'm going to get you. Trust.
Shelley, I was gonna climb across there.
Henry, it's because your
Jump
body
on.
weight. Lean over.
Lean
Lean
over?
over.
What, to catch up to him?
Yeah. No, not that way. This way. Don't rock it.
Lean over this side, lean over this side. Look, look, it's helping to steer.
No, no.
That's it. Lean over this side a little bit more. That's it.
Oh, please move. Please go. Please go, boys. People know we're going to crash.
Oh no, we're gonna crash.
Oh, yeah, we're crashing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
No. No.
Shelley's winning.
No.
You're winning. Oh no.
Wait. We might be able to cut her off. We might be able to cut her off.
to, yeah.
Wait. Go on.
Doesn't say anything about smashing into him. Look, go towards
Yeah,
him.
I'm doing that. No.
Look, I'll lean towards
No, yes. Wait.
Oh no, look. Let's lean this
losers.
way. Lean that way. Lean this way.
Losers. No.
Look.
No, Henry. Henry, let me.
Put your foot down.
Let me.
Emmy.
I'm doing it.
I'm leaning over this way.
Mum. Bye.
I'm leaning over this way.
Oh wow.
Oh no. Emmy.
What's going on with them?
That's alright. Look. Leaning over towards you now.
No, Henry, stop.
No, so we can go off over that way.
This is the end.